Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word star. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The movie premiered last night, and the lead actress was the shining star of the show. In this sentence, star refers to a person who is the main focus or standout performer of a movie, show, or event, often admired for their talent and skill. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.